So I got this box in the mail. I think it's a cooler, but I'm gonna open it and check it out. I'm excited. So in the box, there's another box. So I'm gonna open that box now. It's like packed in there really nicely. Cool. It's like a little holder thing. Oh, okay. So, and this is where the battery goes. Oh, cool. Okay, so you can set how cool you want it. Oh, there's different modes. So there's max, cool, and eco. Okay. Ooh, there's goodies inside. You can carry it as a backpack. Before that, this is kind of what the inside is. It's cool because you could put like some drinks there and it's like a good amount of space. Okay. So there's two. So you can, if you're like taller, you can make it. Okay, that's actually really smart. So it pushes it away from your back, so the hard part is not on your spine. All right, where should I go?
So I moved my lightly frozen pack from its little cubby in between the fridge and the driver's seat to a console kind of set up in here, which is more what I would do for multi-day trips. And I tossed in some chocolate to see how well that does. It's already at 30 degrees on eco mode, and I'm gonna seal back up the top, take my little hour drive. Okay, now I'm gonna show how to securely attach the lightly frozen pack to a bucket seat in a car. So this is in my Sprinter van, and just gonna grab it from where it is. You can do this. There we go. Picked it right up. You can do this whether you're plugged in to your 12 volt like I am over here, or if you're on battery power. Either way it works just as well. And I keep the little straps in the handy pockets. So my sunset green in here, so it's going to take a minute to open. There we go. That's my temperature gauge, sunscreen. Alright, so just grab our little setup here, drop this around the back, and then hook it in to the ring's right here. This is great because, you know, if you want to stop short, if you stop short, it's not good for the thing to go upside down or smashing through anything, and it just sits there, nice and behaved, easy to access, ready to go. So there's a lightly frozen pack in the front seat.